Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive deep into the world of automotive transmissions. Specifically, we'll explore the differences between automatic and manual transmissions, shedding light on their distinct characteristics and how they impact your driving experience. So, whether you're a car enthusiast or just curious, let's gear up and get started. To understand the differences between automatic and manual transmissions, let's first establish what they are. Automatic transmissions, as the name suggests, automatically shift gears without any input from the driver. Manual transmissions, on the other hand, require the driver to manually engage and disengage gears using a clutch pedal and gear stick. One of the most significant distinctions between these two transmissions is their ease of use. Automatic transmissions are user-friendly, making them ideal for city driving and stop-and-go traffic. You just put the car in drive and go. Manual transmissions, however, demand more driver involvement. Shifting gears manually can be both thrilling and challenging, making them a choice for driving enthusiasts. The level of control you have over the vehicle also varies. Manual transmissions grant you full control over gear selection. You can downshift for more power, upshift for better fuel efficiency, and even engine brake on steep descents. Automatic transmissions, while convenient, may not always make the same choices as a skilled manual driver, which can impact the driving experience. Let's talk about fuel efficiency. In general, manual transmissions tend to be more fuel efficient than their automatic counterparts. This is because you have direct control over the gears and can optimize for better mileage. However, advancements in automatic transmission technology, such as CVTs and dual clutch systems, have closed this gap in recent years. Now, let's discuss how these transmissions affect a car's performance and speed. Automatic transmissions are designed to shift gears smoothly, making for a more comfortable ride. However, they can be slower to respond when you need that sudden burst of acceleration. Manual transmissions, on the other hand, give you precise control over gear changes. This control can result in quicker acceleration and enhanced performance, especially in sports and high-performance vehicles. Maintenance and repair costs are another important factor. Automatic transmissions are typically more complex, containing intricate components, which can make repairs more costly. Manual transmissions are simpler and often require less maintenance. However, if you're not adept at driving a manual and end up damaging the clutch, it can also be expensive to repair. Price and availability can also influence your choice. In some markets, manual transmissions are becoming less common, and automatic transmissions are often the default option. Depending on your location, you may have fewer choices when it comes to manual transmissions, but automatics also tend to be more expensive due to their added complexity. So, which transmission is right for you? It ultimately depends on your preferences and driving needs. If you prioritize convenience and ease of use, automatic might be the way to go. However, if you crave a more engaging driving experience and want to save on fuel costs, a manual transmission could be your best bet. In the end, the choice between automatic and manual transmissions is a personal one, each with its own set of pros and cons. Whichever you choose, remember that the joy of driving lies in the journey, no matter what transmission you have. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of automatic versus manual transmissions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, happy driving.